Hi, and welcome to Visa Center YouTube channel. Today, we will look into how to get private visa to Russia. That is the question that many Russian visa applicants are facing. Navigating the process of obtaining a private visa to Russia can seem not to be easy, but with the right information, it becomes manageable. Today, I will walk you through the steps involved in applying for a private visa, including who can invite you and the necessary documentation required. My name is Alexey Selivanov, and I am the founder and owner of VisaCenter.ca, Canada's longest-standing visa services company. With a background in the Soviet and Russian Foreign Service, combined with over 20 years of expertise in visas, passports, and document processing here in Canada, I'm uniquely positioned to offer you valuable insights and reliable advice on navigating international travel and immigration processes.
Want to visit family or friends in Russia, but feel stuck navigating the maze of visa requirements? You're not alone. Most people overcomplicate it, but today I'm going to break it down for you step by step. Let's get you that private visa to Russia faster than you can say Moscow. A private visa is your golden ticket for personal visits to Russia. Whether it's reuniting with family, catching up with friends, or handling urgent matters like medical emergencies, this visa is designed to bring people together. And the best part? You don't always need a formal invitation. Here's something most people don't know. You can secure a private visa even if you don't have a formal invitation in hand. For example, in emergency cases, your proof of relationship or specific circumstances can get the job done. No excuses, just solutions. If you're inviting close relatives, listen up. There are 3 steps you can't skip. 1. Fill out the application form with all personal details. 2. Submit it to the Russian consulate with supporting documents. And 3. And this is key. Proof of relationship is non-negotiable. For example, if you're inviting your parents, make sure you've got those birth certificates lined up. Flexibility is king. Private visas come in single entry, double entry, and, for the pros out there, multiple entry visas for up to 1 year. Choose what works for your plans and don't settle for less. Here's the full list of who counts as a close relative: spouses, parents, siblings, kids, even grandparents and grandkids. This broad definition is your gateway to bringing loved ones closer. Let's talk documents. Your checklist includes a completed application form, your passport, proof of relationship, think marriage or birth certificates, a letter of guarantee from the inviting party, and proof of financial capability. Don't cut corners here, or you'll end up in visa limbo. Inviting someone? Here's your game plan. First, submit a request to the Ministry of Internal Affairs. Next, provide your passport and a copy of the guest's passport. Then, create a letter of guarantee. And don't mess this up. It's crucial. After that, pay the state duty. Alternatively, use the public services portal to streamline everything and save time. Here's the hack. If the inviting party is in Russia, they can visit a notary public and certify the invitation letter. Once it's ready, they courier it to the applicant. Quick, clean, and done. If both spouses are abroad, the letter can be done right there, on the spot, hassle-free. Nobody likes rejection, so avoid these mistakes. Missing or incorrect documents, expired IDs, inaccurate letters of guarantee. Triple check everything and make sure it's all up to date before submission. Once you've got your invitation, attach it to your full visa application, including the Russian visa form. Schedule your appointment at the consulate, and here's the kicker. You don't actually need to go yourself. At Visa Center, we take care of everything for you so you don't have to deal with interviews or paperwork. That's it. The ultimate guide to getting a private visa to Russia.
With the right guidance, navigating the steps to obtain a private visa to Russia can be straightforward. If you need further assistance, consider consulting with us or other professional services or legal experts specializing in visa applications. Staying informed about the requirements and processes will help ensure a smooth journey to reconnect with relatives in Russia. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe to our channel.